Good morning, besties. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. I am already in the car. I'm already ready to go. I have my water. I haven't had a coffee yet, so we'll have to do that later. But I need to head to Target and Michael's, and then if they're open, I want to head to Hobby Lobby and Ulta, but I don't know because it's kind of early, so I'm not sure. But let's hit the road because we have some errands to run. I just got done at Target. There's not really a lot of Christmas stuff left. It's kind of crazy. I should have took a video, but most of the shelves are empty, so I didn't get any Christmas decorations or anything like that. I'll show you what I got after I go to Michael's just because I put it in the back seat because I was not thinking. But I didn't even grab a cart because I was like, I need to go in only for the essentials. I cannot be buying everything I want right now. But to be honest, Target made it super easy because there really wasn't much in there that was exciting. I don't know. Do you guys feel this way? I feel like Target isn't as exciting for me anymore. I just feel like I go in there and I'm like, okay, I'll get what I need, and then I go out. Like, there's not much to peruse anymore. I feel like back in the day, I would go there and literally that would be my hobby. My hobbies were go to the gym and then go to Target and peruse everything for like an hour. Now I'm like in and out within 20 minutes. Anyway, poor Nick, he had to leave so early this morning. He brought the dogs to the groomers and our warehouse is flooding. I guess a pipe broke, so I'm like, lovely. I feel so bad that he's dealing with that. My lips are so dry. I need some moisture. Every time I put this lip gloss on, I'm like, it's so freaking pretty. It's the Cloud one. All right, to Michael's we go. I was looking for oversized ornaments here. I'm like, I'm on a mission now. I said I wasn't going to be, but then, you know, I'm me. I found some big ornaments, but I don't know if this is exactly our color scheme, so I might have to spray paint them. But the thing is, these ones look so much better. Like, these look really nice, I feel like, but it's just not my color scheme, so I'm debating kind of going different this year. But let me know what you think, because here's the gold ones. This is what they look like, and they have silver, but we're not doing silver, so I'm not sure what to do. Guess where we are. I just got home. I got a sandwich with no meat and a larger version of the drink that I got yesterday because I need the caffeine today. But I'm gonna run inside, and I thought it was 10:52 because the clock in my car is wrong, but I think it's 9:52. Yeah, it's only 9:52. So I don't think Ulta and Hobby Lobby are even open yet. So I'm just gonna go inside and I'll do a little haul for you and I'll show you what I got. And I guess we'll just do Hobby Lobby later. If not today, we'll just wake up early tomorrow. Well, I guess kind of early since they're open later, and go tomorrow. I just realized I forgot to get the blonde espresso, so I hope this tastes good. For some reason, my Starbucks espresso tastes like burnt, and I find the blonde espresso doesn't taste as burnt. But let's do a haul. I think it'll be easiest for me to unbox everything first, so hold on. I really scored at Hobby Lobby because all their Christmas stuff was 60% off. So I got these two picks that are little nutcrackers to go in the arrangement by my front door. I want to try this Rub 'n Buff and gold leaf for the ornaments that are over there, the big oversized ones for outdoors. I got this for my puppies. I feel like life is so short, so I want to get their little paw prints, and I don't know, you just never know what's going to happen in this world. So I want to get their paw prints to make for Nick's Christmas tree, and I found some ribbon to play with. This isn't like my favorite ribbon, and it wasn't like amazing quality. This was also 60% off, but I figured we could play around with this. And I found some oversized ornaments. They're not as big as I wanted, but they're big enough. They're probably like 5-inch diameter ornaments, I'm assuming, or 6. And I went with the gold ones. I wanted to do the color, but I don't know. I don't think I'm ready for that this year. I'm not in love with these, but I just wanted something on my tree, and they were so affordable, so I figured why not. And I think at the very least, if there's a color in here I don't like, I might try the Rub 'n Buff on it. And then also from Michael's, I picked up 15 of these little twigs because I think I'm gonna place them in my garland for the huge centerpiece on my table. I thought that would be a great idea. And I think that was all from Michael's. And then from Target, I picked up one of the smaller lanterns. So they have two sizes. They have the large one and the smaller one. So I picked up the smaller one to layer against the other lantern to get, I don't know, I think it'll just look a little better and like it's meant to be there if I layer it with another one. And then I got some stuff for Nick's stocking. I need to figure out all I have for his stocking. And then I got these so we could hang up our decorations that are all over this table. I'm gonna eat breakfast and take like a 10-minute relax. I actually need to watch my video. I always try to rewatch my videos once all the way through once they're up on YouTube, just to make sure that I didn't put anything in there that I didn't want to go in there, or like maybe slip my address or something like that, because there's so many little things that can happen, I feel like, when you're putting out vlogs. So I didn't do that, so I think I'm gonna sit down and do that now, even though it's already up, but I'm sure people have already watched it, but it's fine. Thankfully, I have really cool subscribers. So I'm gonna do that, and then there's so many different projects we can do today. I'm kind of overwhelmed with everything that's left to do, and I need to meal prep, so maybe we'll meal prep today. I don't know. We'll see what I get done. I'm sure we'll get a lot done. Actually, no, it's therapy day. Who the heck knows? But I'll check with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna just take a little reset break. The boys just came back from the groomers. Look how cute they are. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yes, you too. You are so handsome. How was the grooming experience? Did you like your spa day? You guys are tired. You guys are tired. They go to this groomer's who always takes pictures at the end of their groom. So I'm gonna pop in all the pictures that the groomers took. They're always so freaking cute. It is time for therapy. I did a little bit of the tree, as you saw, and I finished cutting all of the ribbon into long strips. So after therapy, I think I'm gonna dive right into trying to use up all of the ribbon that I bought. And then I had a thought. I went online and found 14-inch nutcrackers. These ones that I got are like drummer boys, and they're just plain wood from Michael's. So I got 10 of them for $50, which is insane for a 14-inch like figurine. And I'm gonna spray paint them gold and stick them into the tree as like my own DIY oversized ornaments, because they're so hard to find. I didn't realize how hard it would be to find oversized ornaments. It's proving a lot more difficult than I thought. So I ordered those. It says they'll get here between the 14th and the 19th, and I feel like that'll give me enough time to spray paint all of them on the 20th, and then they'll be ready to stick on the tree. But I'm slowly just gonna try to get things here and there to stick into the tree to make it look more full, because it's starting to look better already, but it just needs more. But I don't want to spend a ton of money, so I'm trying to make this as affordable as possible. And basically my whole tree at this point is all sale stuff that I got, which is crazy. Everything I got has been on sale, so we love a good deal. But I'm gonna jump into therapy. My appointment starts really soon, and I will check in with you guys later. All right, besties, therapy is over. It was really good today. I'm learning a lot about how to communicate with other people. I was never taught growing up on how to communicate, and so I get really like stressed communicating with people. And I know I sometimes like look back in my childhood and I feel bad for some of the friends I had, because I'm like, I wonder if I was just the worst communicator in the world, and I just feel so bad for anybody communicating with me. But I'm trying to be better and just do better as a person. And I'm honestly, what I really need help with is dealing with people who are bad communicators. Like, that's something that's really hard for me. Well, I don't want to say bad communicators. So if somebody else wasn't taught communication skills, it's really hard for me to interact with them if there's like conflict or something. So I've been learning about like conflict resolution and how to like regulate myself. So I'm feeling really good. Thankfully today wasn't a crier. I was not in the mood for that today. Went really good. Honestly, therapy has been so helpful for me to just express myself better. I mean, I still have trouble speaking, as you guys I've mentioned before. Like, talking for me is hard, but I feel like I've been expressing myself a lot better now, which is amazing. So I think Luke is here painting. I need to go check what's going on downstairs. I hear a lot of people going in and out, so I need to see who's doing what in here. All right, so I just ate lunch and I didn't eat all of it. It really wasn't that good, so I don't recommend that. But I was just on Amazon, and I'm determined to like get this Christmas tree kind of how I want it. So I bought 2 different ribbons, and let me show you because the price is kind of insane. So I bought 2 of them, and it's a 6-inch wide metallic gold ribbon, which I think is going to be so cool, and it's 10 yards. So I'm really excited to see how this comes out. I hope it's good. I literally bought 2 of them because I'm like, at this price for this huge of wide ribbon, that's insane. I also got this one, which isn't coming for a while. I got 2 of these as well. It's a velvet champagne one. I figured if it doesn't come in time, at least I'll have it for next year, just because again, the price is like too good to resist, and it was only 5 yards, so that's why I bought 2 of them. But I wanted to share it with you. I'll link it down below just in case you're also looking for ribbon. So that's what I just got. I think I hear Nick pressure washing right now, so I'm gonna go and I think I'm gonna put the furniture out if he's done. I tried using that gold, what is it called? The Rub and Buff gold on the ornament thing, and it wasn't sticking. So I wish I would have just gotten spray paint because that would have 100% worked. I'm letting it dry now, and maybe I'll do another coat, but it's not gonna look like perfect anymore, but that's fine. It didn't look perfect to begin with. Those are my updates. I have a lot I need to do. Let's go see if Nick is done. We set up the patio furniture. Ignore that, that's garbage. And look how nice it looks. I'm gonna sit down here for a little bit. It's made out of plastic, so it's like not the best quality. I thought it was real wicker, but it's not. I finally can sit outside. I have big plans for this place. I wanna put a privacy fence up there and there. And then I might get another thing of seating for right there. I think that would look really nice. Okay, my plate isn't pretty, but this is so good. Dinner is amazing. I'm gonna eat. Luke just left and we got some progress done in the house. I'll show you guys after I'm done eating, but I am so hungry and tired. Time for day 13. Ooh, an EDT from Diptyque. This is their, or Diptyque. This is their rose one. This is actually a really good size one. It's like almost the size of a travel size. Actually, it is the size of a travel size. That's crazy. A whole travel size perfume in here. Hold on, let me smell it. That smells really good. It kind of smells like Delina. It smells very similar to Delina. I really like it. Well, besties, it's super late. I already started editing and I'm so tired, but I need to finish editing. Oh, did I ever show you my little nutcrackers? Look how cute they are in there. I'm kind of obsessed. I need to play with it more, but they're so cute. I don't even know if I showed you the tree, so let's go look at that really fast. This is where I got with the tree. I took the ribbon from not Hobby Lobby, I keep calling it Hobby Lobby today. I took the ribbon from Michael's and bunched it up into little wefts or whatever you would call that and put them around the tree. We still have a lot more to put in here, but this is a really good start. I also layered the 2 lanterns right there, so they look so cute together. I think it looks so much better with 2. Luke was here for a really long time. We got a lot done. He finished painting this entryway. I don't know if you can see, there's no more random paint spots. I can't wait until we can do the flooring in here. It's gonna look so nice once the flooring is super dark. It'll really pop against the bright walls and all that, but in due time. All right, besties, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.